Hey gang, Average Homeowner here. Welcome back. So you're halfway across the country on a vacation. It's a holiday weekend. You realize you do not have your medicine because it's in the suitcase that you were going to take, but you didn't take and you didn't repack it. And you can't go to the pharmacy because the pharmacy says we can't fill it because it's the end of your prescription. And of course, it's a holiday weekend, so you can't call your doctor. What do? Well, you call your good friends up and say, hey, I'll open my garage door remotely with my fancy internet access and just go in my house and next day me the medicine. Well, sounds like a good plan. That is until they get there and they realize that the deadbolt is locked. You lock the deadbolt, which you normally don't do to your garage door. So there's no way in. What do? You ask them to break in, of course. Being the good friends that they are, they do break in your house. Unfortunately, there's a slight problem with any kind of break-in attempt. It usually leaves a mess. So what are we gonna do? We're gonna fix this. That's what I'm gonna show you today. The first thing I'm gonna do is take the door casing off. I will have to replace this piece. Lowe's has the exact same piece, so that'll be easy. So I used a X-Acto knife and I sliced through the caulking on both sides. I'll start right where the area is broken. This is actually a 3/4 inch board. It's part of the whole frame. I'm not gonna rip that all out to replace this. In fact, I'm gonna add a 2x4 in here, cut back into this and add it to the 2x4 there, which will make a very, very strong deadbolt spot. I'm gonna just cut this out now. I wanna show you a couple things. This molding pulls right out. So I'll cut here, cut this out here because this got cracked up this way. And I'll put a 2x4 in there by cutting back. This saw here comes in many flavors, many brands, but every homeowner should have one of these. Just gives you so much versatility. We'll replace this with a 2x4. I had to make 3 cuts on this board. It's just to use 2x4. Length, width, depth. So this will go right in here like this. Voila. So this is solid now. This is getting pried anywhere. I put a couple of shims just to keep this edge from pulling back in. I'm actually gonna put a shim here because I don't like that, especially since we cut it, it's gonna be flimsy. So I'll put a shim in and then I'll put another screw in. I cut out for the deadbolt using this tool again with a smaller blade. You could see, and then I just went around the edge. I put some wood putty on and have it all sanded, and I'm going to paint it now. I found a piece of casing that's identical and I'm just gonna cut it to size. I have the casing / molding on, caulked and puttied the nail holes, and we're ready for some paint. As you can see, this project is complete. Let me give it a closer look. So, yeah. The next time you have to break into your house, or you need your friends to break into your house, if they break the deadbolt molding, it's fixable. I think it got $20 into the whole project. This is the Average Homeowner. Till the next time.